What I'm going to show you guys how to do today is I'm going to show you how to take this window and go up and down with it because none of my controls are working. So it's pretty simple, but is kind of needed to take these windows out. If you don't want to smash them, this is what you got to do. The first thing you got to do is get the door skin off, and I'm going to use a tool that comes with the car, just the factory crowbar, tire wrench, tire iron, whatever you guys call it. Just going to jam it in there. I'm just going to peel the door skin back, just like that. Now you want to just take the door skin off nice and easily. Just like that. Beautiful. No problem at all. Now I just want to take this thing off. We're going to unplug this thing completely. We don't need it. Take the inner plastic off. And you're ready for step 2. Now step 2 is pretty easy. You locate the wires coming from the motor right to here. Get this one out of the way. Right there. Now I'm going to cut them back here, so that way if I can sell these, I can still sell them. So let's get these wires cut and then bared. So now with these wires bared, all we're going to do is touch our battery off this. Now you can use a car battery. I like to use my Milwaukee batteries just because they're so much smaller and easier to handle. So let's get this on there and then we'll get this window moving. You want to watch for the bolts to come in here so you can get the window off. There will be 3 bolts for the Toyota Solaris. Now right there you can see all 3 bolts. So let's get those out. Just that easy to get these windows out. But this was done with no power except for the outside power source. So just remember guys, if you don't have power at your windows, you can still take the windows out without breaking them. Again, all you do is take the battery, you just touch it off inside there. Just the positive and negatives. It works with a car battery as well. So if you guys don't have DeWalt batteries, use a car battery. Battery can be almost dead if it has to be. I'm just going to take that window motor all the way down so it's out of our way. Now we can take the window glass out. Just like that. Easy, quick, simple, no cleanup. And then you just keep taking the car apart with the mirrors, the speaker, all this stuff's got to come out. But now that the window's not in there, makes everything a whole lot easier. Just like that. So there you go guys. Remember, if the windows don't work, there's always a way to take them out without smashing them.